Good morning children. I welcome you all for the video class. In today's class we are going to learn about new chapter 5, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, in previous chapter we have learned about the three main climatic zones of the earth. See children, what are the three climatic zones of the earth? Yes, there are three climatic zones of the earth. What are they? Yes, they are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and frigid zone. Children, these zones experience different types of climate depending on factors such as temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind. Children, what are the factors? Yes, temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind. See children, the torrid zone experiences extreme climatic conditions across different regions ranging from rainforest to desert areas. Children, some of the regions in the torrid zone have equatorial climate. Children, the region around the equator is the equatorial region. We all know that our earth is like a big round of ball. See children, look at this image. The equator latitude goes round the middle of the earth. Children, middle of the line is called equator. It is the longest line. Children, the equator divides the earth into two equal curves. See, the region around the equator is the equatorial region. You see, the region around the equator is the equatorial region. The equator is nearer to the sun as compared to the poles for most part of the year. The sun's rays are more direct and stronger here. See children, this region has a hot and wet climate all throughout the year. Do you know children, the Amazon, which is the second longest river in the world, runs through the South American rainforest in the equatorial region. Children, which is the second longest river in the world? Yes, the Amazon is the second longest river in the world. Children, many countries like Brazil, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Malaysia and Indonesia are located in this region. Children, what are the countries located in the equatorial region? Yes, Brazil, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Malaysia and Indonesia are located in this region. Children, let us learn more about the Democratic Republic of the Congo to get a clear idea about how climatic conditions of a region influence the lifestyle of the people living there. Children, in today's class we learn about the Democratic Republic of the Congo, then location, then topography, then climate, then vegetation and wildlife. Children, now first we learn about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, look at map. What is this map? Yes, this is world map. See children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, it means DRC, is a country located deep in the African continent, in the tropical zone. Children, what is meant by DRC? Yes, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, where is DRC located? Yes, DRC is located in the African continent. Children, the equator passes through the northern DRC. It was ruled by Belgium till it became independent in 1960. This country was earlier called Belgian Congo. Children, the country was earlier called Belgian Congo. Then the name was changed to Zaire. Children, the name was changed to Zaire in 1971. Children, once again in 1997, its name was changed to the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which is its present name. Children, its capital is Kinshasa. What is the capital of DRC? Yes, its capital is Kinshasa. Children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is a country located in Central Africa with the equator passing through it. Children, DRC is the second largest country by area. Children, DRC is the second largest country by area in Africa. Children, in 1960, the DRC was ruled by Belgium. Children, in 1960, the DRC was ruled by Belgium and it was known as Belgian Congo. Then, in 1971, children, in 1971, its name was changed to Zaire. In 1997, children, in 1997, the country was again renamed. Children, the country was again renamed as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. That means DRC. Children, what is the capital of DRC? Yes, its capital is Kinshasa. Children, the DRC lies in the equatorial region. See, the equatorial region lies on both sides. Children, the equatorial region lies on both sides of the equator and has hot and wet type of climate almost throughout the year. You can see the equatorial region in the map. Children, next we learn location. Look at the map of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, equator passes through this country. It is one of the largest countries of Africa. Children, DRC has an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometers. Children, you will see that the equator runs through its north. Children, equator runs through its north. It is surrounded by 9 countries. Children, it is surrounded by 9 countries. Children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is founded by 9 other independent countries. What are the 9 countries? Yes, the names of these countries are Central African Republic and Sudan in the north. See children, north side located, what are the countries? Yes, Central African Republic and Sudan in the north. Then you see children, east. What are the countries located in east? Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania and Rwanda are to its east. Children, then you see west side. Children, the west side located country is the Republic of Congo. Children, then you see south side. What are the countries located in the south side? Yes, Zambia and Angola in the south. Children, the equator passes through the DRC. Children, the equator passes through the DRC with 1/3 of the country. You see children, one third of the country to its north. Children, one third of the country is its north. Then 2/3 of the country to the south. Children, location of the DRC. The DRC is founded by 9 other independent countries. What are they? Yes, they are the Republic of Congo. Children, including the Republic of Congo, then Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Zambia, Sudan, Angola and Central Africa. Children, let us see about topography. What is meant by topography? Yes, topography is the study of the land surface. Children, topography is the study of land surface. See children, in particularly, it lays the underlying foundation. Children, lays the underlying foundation of a landscape. For example, topography refers to mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. Children, topography is the study of the land surface. Topography refers to mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. Children, the landscape of the country is dominated by the Congo River. Children, Congo River is the second longest river in Africa. Which is the second longest river in Africa? Yes, Congo River is the second longest river in Africa. And the seventh longest river in the world. See children, Congo River is the second longest river in the Africa and the seventh longest river in the world. The Congo Basin covers the entire country. See children, Congo is not only famous for rivers but is also famous for waterfalls. Children, what are the famous waterfalls in DRC? Yes, the famous waterfalls are the Livingstone Falls and the Inga Falls. Do you know children, what do you mean by topography? Yes, the topography is the study of land surface. Children, topography refers to, yes, mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. Children, the DRC is located in equatorial region. See, hot and wet climate is found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo throughout the year. Children, the area receives heavy rainfall. Children, DRC receives heavy rainfall. Children, the Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest in the world. Children, which is the first largest rainforest in the world? Yes, the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. Children, which is the second largest rainforest in the world? Yes, the Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest in the world. Children, the northern part of the country has rainforest and the southern part of has grasslands. Children, let us see about climate. Children, what type of climate experience in Congo? See, Congo experiences equatorial climate. Why? Because it is located on the both sides. Children, it is located on the both sides of the equator. See children, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is located near the equator. See, it has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. Children, the climate of the Democratic Republic of Congo is generally hot and wet. Children, what type of climate in DRC? Yes, hot and wet. See children, the country experiences high temperature and high humidity. Children, there is little variation in temperature during summer and winter. Children, the length of day and night is almost equal. Children, the day and night is almost equal. Gradually, clouds build up and bring rainfall to the region. Children, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, it rains almost every evening. This rainfall is known as 4 o'clock rainfall. Children, the sun shines brightly even in the morning. Children, the temperature rises steadily. The evaporation of water due to the high rains heavily in the afternoon at about 4 p.m. Children, this happens almost every day throughout the year. Children, what is the climate of DRC? Yes, the DRC has hot and wet climate throughout the year. Children, let us learn vegetation. Most of the Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with rainforest. The land is covered with dense forest called tropical rainforest. Children, what is the other name of dense forest? Yes, dense forest is also called as tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. Children, why tropical rainforest also known as evergreen forest? See, the trees in evergreen forest. Children, the trees in evergreen forest do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Most of the DRC is covered with tropical rainforest. There is a large variety of trees and other plants. Children, generally these trees are very tall. Some of the examples are ebony, mahogany, teak and so on. These type of trees are very tall. Even the rays of the sun cannot get through the thick leaves. This makes the forest dark even during daytime. Children, the trees provide raw material for many industries. Most of the DRC is covered with rainforest. Children, the trees in this forest grow very tall and form a canopy of leaves at the top. Children, it prevents sunlight from passing through. See children, creeper, climber and shrub grow below. However, at several places the canopy is so thick that very few plants grow under it. Children, in some parts of the DRC, mostly in south. Children, mostly in the south where the climate is not so hot and wet. So the vegetation is different. Children, instead of dense forest, there are grasslands with short trees. Such a vegetation is the savanna. Children, what is savanna? See, a flat. Children, a flat grass covered area. Children, a flat grass covered area of tropical regions. Nearly treeless in some places but generally having a mix of widely spaced trees. Children, savanna means a kind of vegetation having grasslands with short trees. Children, what is meant by vegetation? See, plants that are found. Children, plants that are found in a particular area is called vegetation. What are the vegetation found in DRC? Yes, vegetation found in DRC trees are cedar, mahogany, rubber, coconut, banana and palm. Next, let us learn wildlife. What is wildlife, children? Yes, animals that grow. Children, animals that grow or live in the wild without any human. Children, wild without any human interference are known as wildlife. Children, wildlife of DRC. See, the dense forest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo also support a wide variety of animal life. See children, we found in DRC many types of animals such as chimpanzee, gorilla, baboon, elephant, zebra, rhinoceros, tiger and the hippopotamus. Children, those animals found in DRC. Do you know children? The African elephants are bigger than the Indian elephants. Children, we found in DRC one of the most colorful birds. Which one is? Yes, the Congo peacock. Children, the Congo peacock, one of the most colorful birds, is found only in this country. Then, the DRC also home to a variety of amphibians including crocodiles and snakes. Children, the dense forest of the DRC also support a wide variety of animals. See, what are the animals we found in DRC? Yes, many type of animals, birds we found in DRC. What are the animals, children? Yes, gorilla, baboon, elephant, zebra, rhinoceros and so on. Children, the rivers and lakes are full of crocodiles. See children, the rivers and lakes are full of crocodiles and fish. Then many types of snakes. Children, we found in DRC many types of snakes are also found here. Children, DRC has a large variety of wildlife is found in the forest. Children, many types of animals and birds are found in DRC. Okay children, now I am going to give recall. Children, what we learned in the chapter? Yes, we learned the Democratic Republic of the Congo, then location of DRC, then we learned topography, then climate, then vegetation of DRC, then wildlife of DRC. Children, what is the full form of DRC? Yes, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, the full form of DRC is the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, the Democratic Republic of Congo is located in the tropical zone in Central Africa. See, DRC is the second largest country by area. Children, DRC is the second largest country by area in Africa. Which country controlled the Congo up until 1960? Yes, the Belgian Congo country controlled until 1960. What is the capital of DRC, children? Yes, its capital is Kinshasa. Then we learn location of DRC. See children, the DRC is founded by 9 other independent countries. What are the 9 countries, children? Yes, the Republic of Congo, Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Angola, Zambia, Sudan and Central African Republic. Then we learn topography. Children, what is meant by topography? Yes, topography is the study of the land surface. Topography refers to mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. DRC receives heavy rainfall. Children, DRC receives heavy rainfall. The Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest in the world. Do you know children? which is the first largest rainforest in the world? Yes, the Amazon rainforest is the first largest rainforest in the world. See, rivers and waterfalls also we found in DRC. Children, there are famous waterfalls also we found in DRC. What are the famous waterfalls, children? Yes, Livingstone Falls and the Inga Falls. Children, the Congo River is the second longest river of Africa and the seventh longest river in the world. Then we learn climate of DRC. Children, what type of climate experience in Congo? Yes, Congo experiences equatorial climate. Why? Because it is located on the both sides of the equator. What is climate of DRC, children? Yes, hot and wet climate throughout the year. Children, there is very little difference in the summer and winter temperature. See, the length of days and nights is almost equal. Mornings are hot and humid climate, then evening and nights are generally cool climate. Then next we learn vegetation of DRC. Most of the DRC is covered with dense forest called tropical rainforest. Children, these rainforests are the second largest and one of the thickest in the world. What are the vegetation found in DRC, children? Yes, the vegetation found in DRC trees are cedar, mahogany, rubber, coconut, banana and palm. Then we learn wildlife of DRC. Many types of animals and birds we found in DRC. What are the animals we found in DRC, children? Yes, elephant, baboon, zebra, rhinoceros, deer and the hippopotamus. See, the Congo peacock, one of the most colorful birds, is found only in this country. Okay, children, remaining topics we will see next class. Now I am going to give chapter 4 climatic variations worksheet revision. Children, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called dash. Children, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called dash. Option A, water vapor. Option B, biosphere. Option C, atmosphere. Children, what is the correct answer? Yes, the answer is option C, atmosphere. Children, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Second question, the rays of the sun. Children, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the dash. Children, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the dash. Option A, poles. Option B, equator. Option C, Tropic of Cancer. Children, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is option B, equator. Children, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the equator. Third question, at the equator, the rays of the sun are dash. Children, at the equator, the rays of the sun are dash. Option A, direct. Option B, slanted. Option C, weak. Yes, the answer is option A, direct. Children, at the equator, the rays of the sun are direct. Fourth question, how many heat zones are there? Children, how many heat zones are there? Option A, 3. Option B, 6. Option C, 5. Yes, the answer is option A, 3. Children, how many heat zones are there? Yes, 3. Fifth question. The frigid zone lies between. Children, the frigid zone lies between dash. Option A, the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Option B, the Tropic of Cancer and the North Pole. And option C, the Equator and the Tropic of Cancer. Yes, the answer is option A, the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. The frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Children, sixth question. The main factors which determine the climate of a place are dash. Children, the main factors which determine the climate of a place are dash. Option A, distance from equator. Children, distance from equator. Option B, distance from the sea level. And option C, all of this. Yes, the answer is option C, all of this. Children, the main factors which determine the climate of a place are distance from equator and distance from the sea level. Children, seventh question. Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? Children, which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? Option A, tropical zone. Option B, frigid zone. And option C, temperate zone. Yes, the answer is option A, tropical zone. Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun, children? Yes, tropical zone. Eighth question. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called dash. Children, the average weather condition. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called dash. Option A, climate. Option B, weather. Option C, atmosphere. Yes, the answer is option A, climate. Children, the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called climate. Ninth question. The climate in the torrid zone is dash. Children, the climate in the torrid zone is dash. Option A, cold. Option B, hot and wet. And option C, hot and dry. Yes, the answer is option C, hot and dry. Children, the climate in the torrid zone is hot and dry. 10th question. This zone lies between 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north dash. Option A, the north frigid zone. Option B, the north torrid zone. And option C, the north temperate zone. Yes, the answer is option C, the north temperate zone. Children, this zone lies between 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north, the north temperate zone. Children, second Roman, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. See children, options also there. What are the options? Yes, high, altitude, climate, torrid, frigid, humidity, atmosphere. See children, first question. Dash is the state or condition of the atmosphere at a place over a long period of time. Children, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is climate. See children, climate is the state or condition of atmosphere at a place over a long period of time. Children, at a place over a long period of time. Second question, place near the sea. See children, place near the sea and other water bodies have dash humidity. Yes, the answer is high humidity. Third question, the amount of water vapor. Children, the amount of water vapor in the air is known as dash. Yes, the answer is humidity. Children, the amount of water vapor in the air is known as humidity. Fourth question, height above the sea level is called the dash of a place. Yes, the answer is altitude. Children, height above the sea level is called altitude. Fifth question, the heat zones that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn is called the dash. Yes, the answer is torrid. Children, the heat zone that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn is called the torrid zone. Sixth question, weather is the state of dash over a short period of time. Yes, the answer is atmosphere. Children, weather is the state of atmosphere over a short period of time. Seventh question, the dash zone is commonly known as the polar region. Yes, the answer is frigid zone. Children, the frigid zone is commonly known as the polar region. Children, next one, third Roman, write true or false. Places that lie near the sea usually experience high humidity. Yes, answer is yes, the answer is true. Children, place that lies near the sea usually experience high humidity. Second question, climate is defined as the average of weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Yes, the answer is true. Climate is defined as the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Third question, the earth can be divided into 3 heat zones. Yes, the answer is true. Children, the earth can be divided into 3 heat zones. Fourth question, New Delhi is very hot in winters and very cold in summers. Yes, the answer is false. Children, what is the correct answer? New Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Fifth question, weather does not change from place to place. Yes, the answer is false. Children, what is the correct answer? Weather does change from place to place. Sixth question, humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Yes, the answer is true. Children, humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Seventh question, the climate of a place can change daily. Yes, the answer is false. Children, what is the correct answer? Yes, the climate of a place cannot change daily. Eighth question, the torrid zone is also called the tropical zone. Children, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is true. Children, the torrid zone is also called the tropical zone. Ninth question, people travel to the hills during winter. Yes, the answer is false. The correct answer is people travel to the hills during summer. 10th question, the extremely cold zone on the earth is torrid zone. Children, what is the answer? Yes, false. What is the correct answer? Yes, the extremely cold zones on the earth is frigid zone. Children, next Roman, fourth Roman, match the following. See, there are 2 columns. One is question part and another one is answer part. You see, children, first question, weather. What is the answer? Yes, option C, short period of time. See, weather is the short period of time. Then second question, climate. What is the answer, children? Yes, the answer is option D, long period of time. Children, climate is long period of time. Then third question, heat zone. Children, heat zone, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is option B, torrid zone. Children, heat zone, torrid zone. Fourth question, children, temperate zone. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is has moderate climate. Children, temperate zone has moderate climate. Fifth question, frigid zone. Children, frigid zone, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is option A, is extremely cold. Children, frigid zone is extremely cold. Okay, children, I hope you are all understand this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.